What if every product could tell its complete story with just one scan? That is the power of digital product passport market. This market is changing how business improves product traceability, sustainability, and compliance. Everyday Nissan leads with 9% market share, followed by Zebra Technologies at 7%, Optel Group with 5%, Siemens AG at 4%, and Lyondell Industries with 3%. The remaining is shared by many other players, showing a highly competitive and growing market. As industries move towards a circular economy and greater transparency, the digital product passport market is expected to see a strong adoption across global supply chain. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-author research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask the targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions. Discover what the next market signal could mean for your business, your investment, and your growth strategy.